Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist automatically. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so the first step that you have to do is to open up the Spotify app on your phone. Next, go to your library by tapping the icon at the bottom right of your screen. Here, you can see all your playlists, albums, and more. Select the playlist where you want to stop Spotify from adding songs. Tap on the playlist to open it. Okay, so if you wanted to stop Spotify from adding extra songs to your playlist, so what you have to do is to make sure that more than 15 songs are added in your playlist. So I will simply add up some random songs just to show you all. And as you can see that I have added more than 15 songs in my playlist. And now Spotify will not add extra songs in my playlist. So whenever Spotify automatically adds new songs to your playlist, all you have to do is to add more than 15 songs of your own choice. And that's it. Now you know how to stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.